Marie Curie. The name echoes with scientific brilliance. She stands alone as the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Her legacy is even more remarkable, the only person to earn this honor in two different scientific fields. Physics and chemistry bear the indelible mark of her genius. Curie's exploration of radioactivity ignited a revolution. It reshaped our understanding of the atom. It illuminated the path towards groundbreaking medical treatments. Curie's brilliance was matched by an unyielding spirit. She confronted a world resistant to female ambition. Laboratories were spaces dominated by men. Curie refused to be deterred. She pursued knowledge with unwavering passion. Her discoveries, forged in countless hours of meticulous research, would change the world forever. Maria Skłodowska, later known as Marie Curie, entered the world in 1867. Warsaw, Poland was her birthplace. It was a city teeming with intellectual energy but stifled by political oppression. Her family, though facing financial hardship, instilled in her a deep love for learning. Her father, a teacher of physics and mathematics, nurtured her natural curiosity. He recognized in his daughter a mind destined for greatness.
Maria excelled in her studies, yet her path was not easy. Higher education for women in Poland was almost non-existent. Traditional barriers seemed insurmountable. But Maria possessed an unyielding determination. She refused to let societal norms extinguish her intellectual fire. Her thirst for knowledge would lead her on an extraordinary journey, a journey that would soon take her far from home.
Paris, the city of lights, beckoned, its streets alive with the promise of new beginnings and endless possibilities. The allure of Paris was irresistible, drawing dreamers and scholars alike to its vibrant heart. The renowned Sorbonne University held the promise of academic freedom, a sanctuary for those who sought to push the boundaries of knowledge and understanding. Its hallowed halls were a beacon for intellectuals from around the globe. It was a beacon for knowledge seekers worldwide. A melting pot of ideas and cultures where the brightest minds converged to share their insights and discoveries. In 1891, Maria, now going by the French Marie, arrived in Paris. She was filled with hope and determination, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lay ahead. The city, vibrant and teeming with life, was also a stark contrast to her familiar Warsaw. The bustling markets, the lively cafes, and the constant hum of activity were both exhilarating and overwhelming.
The Sorbonne was a challenging environment, a place where only the most dedicated and resilient could thrive. The rigorous academic standards and the competitive atmosphere tested the limits of every student. It was a world dominated by men, where women were often seen as intruders in the realm of science and academia. Many were skeptical of a woman's place in the hallowed halls of science, questioning their abilities and their right to be there. Marie, undeterred, threw herself into her studies. She spent countless hours in the library poring over books and conducting experiments, determined to prove her worth. She persevered despite financial hardship and cultural differences. Her brilliance shone through, and her dedication never wavered. She lived in modest conditions, often going without basic comforts, but her passion for science kept her going. She earned degrees in physics and mathematics, excelling in her studies and gaining the respect of her peers and professors. Her name rose to the top of her classes, a testament to her hard work and intellectual prowess. It was at the Sorbonne where she would meet her future husband and scientific partner, Pierre Curie. Their meeting was the beginning of a partnership that would change the world. Together, they would embark on a scientific adventure that would change the course of history. Their groundbreaking research and discoveries would pave the way for future generations of scientists, leaving an indelible mark on the world of science.
Pierre Curie, a brilliant physicist in his own right, recognized Marie's genius. Their shared passion for science ignited a love story as captivating as any chemical reaction. Their 1895 marriage marked the beginning of an extraordinary partnership. Their makeshift laboratory, a testament to their dedication, became a crucible for groundbreaking discoveries.
Together, they delved into the invisible world of uranium rays. Henri Becquerel's discovery of these mysterious rays had puzzled the scientific community. The Curies, however, sensed they were on the verge of something profound. Their collaboration, fueled by mutual respect and a shared pursuit of knowledge, would unlock some of the atom's most closely guarded secrets.
Section 5. Unlocking the atom's secrets.
The Curies toiled tirelessly, their laboratory their sanctuary.
Marie, with unwavering focus, meticulously analyzed countless samples of pitchblende, a uranium-rich ore. She noticed something remarkable.
The pitchblende exhibited far greater radioactivity than uranium alone could explain.
This observation, the result of her meticulous methodology and keen scientific intuition, led to a revolutionary conclusion.
There had to be unknown elements far more radioactive than uranium hidden within the pitchblende.
These elements, they hypothesized, held the key to understanding the true nature of radioactivity. Their quest to isolate these elusive elements would dominate their lives, pushing them to the limits of their physical endurance and demanding unwavering dedication to their scientific calling.
Section 6. A legacy forged in radium. The Curie's persistence paid off after years of tireless research and countless experiments. Their unwavering dedication to uncovering the mysteries of radioactivity was about to bear fruit. In 1898, they announced the discovery of a new element, hundreds of times more radioactive than uranium. This was a monumental breakthrough that would change the course of science forever. They named it polonium, after my beloved homeland, Poland. This was a tribute to Marie Curie's roots and a nod to the place that had shaped her early life and ambitions. But our work wasn't finished. The discovery of polonium was just the beginning. The Curies continued their relentless pursuit of knowledge, driven by an insatiable curiosity. Further research revealed yet another element, even more radioactive than polonium. This discovery was a testament to their scientific rigor and determination. This element, which emitted a faint blue glow in the darkness of our lab, we named radium. The ethereal glow of radium captivated the scientific community and the public alike.
The discovery of radium sent shockwaves through the scientific world. It was a revelation that challenged existing theories and opened new avenues of research. It challenged the very foundations of physics as they were understood. Scientists had to rethink their understanding of atomic structure and energy. Here was an element that seemed to defy the laws of nature, continuously emitting energy without any discernible source. This phenomenon puzzled and intrigued researchers worldwide. The Curie's work, meticulous and groundbreaking, ushered in the age of nuclear physics. Their discoveries laid the foundation for future advancements in the field. It opened a Pandora's box of possibilities for both good and ill. The potential applications of their discoveries ranged from medical treatments to the development of nuclear weapons, highlighting the dual-edged nature of scientific progress. Section 7. Triumph over tragedy. The year 1903 brought with it the highest recognition for their groundbreaking work. It was a momentous occasion that marked a significant milestone in the world of science. Pierre and Marie Curie, along with Henri Becquerel, were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their discovery of radioactivity. This discovery not only revolutionized the field of physics but also opened new avenues in medical research and treatment. Marie Curie became the first woman to receive this prestigious award. Her achievement was a beacon of hope and inspiration for women in science, breaking barriers and setting new standards. It was a testament to her brilliance, but also a bittersweet victory. Despite the accolades, the journey was fraught with challenges and personal sacrifices.
Tragedy struck just 3 years later. The joy of their scientific triumph was overshadowed by an unimaginable loss. Pierre Curie died in a street accident, leaving me devastated. His sudden death was a blow that shook the very foundation of my world. The grief threatened to consume me, but my dedication to science and my unwavering spirit refused to be extinguished. I found solace in the very work that had brought us together. I poured my grief into my work, continuing the research Pierre and I had begun together. Each experiment, each discovery was a tribute to his memory and our shared passion. I was appointed to his professorship at the Sorbonne, becoming the first woman to hold such a position. This role was not just a professional achievement, but a personal victory over the adversity that had threatened to derail my life's work.
Section 8. A beacon for women in science. Marie Curie's brilliance continued to shine brightly.
In 1911, I was awarded my second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for my work in isolating radium. This unprecedented achievement solidified my legacy as a scientific giant. I stood alone, a beacon for aspiring scientists, especially women, who dared to challenge the status quo.
Her commitment to science extended beyond the laboratory. She understood the importance of sharing knowledge, of nurturing the next generation of scientific minds. She tirelessly advocated for the use of her discoveries for the betterment of humanity.
During World War I, My mother bravely went to the front lines, using her knowledge of radioactivity to develop mobile X-ray units, which became known as Little Curies, to treat wounded soldiers.
Section 9: Curie's enduring radiance. Marie Curie's life was tragically cut short in 1934. She succumbed to aplastic anemia, a consequence of her years of exposure to radiation. Her legacy, however, continues to burn brightly. Her discoveries revolutionized science and medicine. Her unwavering pursuit of knowledge in the face of adversity continues to inspire countless individuals.
I was more than just a brilliant scientist. I was a pioneer, a trailblazer, a role model who shattered glass ceilings and expanded the horizons of what was possible for women in science. My story is a testament to the power of human curiosity, the importance of perseverance, and the enduring impact a single individual can have on the world.